Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize quick access toolbar items in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then you want to go down and select Options on this menu. Now you want to select Quick Access Toolbar on the left panel here, and then just drag over or select the items you want to add, and then select Add to go ahead and add them over. Or you can conversely select Remove if you want to remove certain items from the Quick Access bar, and select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.